Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is A purchased goods for rupees 2520. He sold one-fourth at a loss of 20%. At what percent gain should he sell the remainder so as to make an overall profit of 20% on the total transaction? So what's the given question? So A is purchasing the goods for a cost price of rupees 2520 and he is selling one-fourth at a loss of 20%. So at what percentage gain should he sell the remainder? That is 3/4. At what percentage gain he should sell the remainder so as to make an overall profit of 20% on the total transaction. So by saying this itself, some combination is coming. This 1/4 part and the 3/4 part when combined together, we will be getting the whole transaction and we will be getting the overall profit. So whenever some combination comes, we have to use the rule of allegation. So if you are having any doubts on allegation, please watch the previous videos on allegation and mischief. It is explained in detail there. So here we can apply the rule of allegation. The 1/4 is sold at a loss of 20%. So here it is minus 20. Since it is a loss, we have to represent it as minus 20 and that is 1/4 part. And what about the 3/4 part? We don't know what's the profit percentage or the loss percentage. So let's give it as X. So X, and when combined together we are getting an overall profit percentage of 20. Since it is a profit, it is plus. So this is 3/4 part, and then which will be greater, 20 or X? So we know that minus 20 when combined together with X, we are getting an average of 20. So it means that X should be greater than 20. Only when X is greater than 20, when it is combined with a negative number, we will be getting the overall value or average value of 20. So it will be X minus 20. And here what will come? The difference between minus 20 and 20 is 40. So X minus 20 by 40. By applying the rule of allegation, the ratio of X minus 20 is to 40 will be equal to the ratio of this one to ratio of the second component. So here the ratio is 1 is to 3. So X minus 20 is to 40 is equal to 1 by 3. So what will be your final answer? 3X minus 60 is equal to 40. So our X will be equal to 100 by 3. That is 33 1 by 3%. So since it is a positive number, we will be having 33 1 by 3% profit. Example number 2. A man buys 300 dozens of bananas for rupees 3,600. He sold 1/3 of the stock at a loss of 10% and the remaining 2/3 of the stock at a gain of 10%. Find the overall profit percentage or loss. So here, what's the question? So he is buying 300 dozens of bananas for a cost price of rupees 3,600 and he is selling 1/3 of the stock at a loss of 10% and the remaining 2/3 of the stock is sold at a gain of 10%. Then what's his overall profit percentage or loss? So here we are having a shortcut formula. The overall profit percentage or loss percentage will be given as, so M into X minus N into Y, where M is representing the part of the stock sold at the profit percentage and N is representing the part of the stock sold at Y% loss. So if it is profit means you can just give here plus MX plus NY. If it is loss means it will be MX minus NY. For general formula we can just say it is equal to MX plus NY. If it is a loss, you have to put here minus. Okay. Here it is loss and here it is gain. So we can just apply the formula here. So the overall profit or loss percentage will be given as, what is M? M here is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is sold at minus 10%. So 1 by 3 into minus 10 plus 2 by 3 is sold at 10% gain. So plus 2 by 3 into 10. It's very simple. So what fraction is sold at what percentage? Just multiply. So 1 by 3 part is sold at 10% loss. So 1 by 3 into minus 10. 2 by 3 part is sold at 10% gain. So plus 2 by 3 into 10. So what's our final answer? It's minus 10 by 3 plus 20 by 3. So our final answer will be 10 by 3. So since it is a positive quantity, it will be 10 by 3% gain. Now, final example, Arun invests rupees 21,000 in shares of a company. He sells one third of total shares at a profit of 10%, but the remaining shares he has to sell at 5% loss. Find his overall profit or loss percentage. So he is investing rupees 21,000. So his cost price is rupees 21,000, and he is selling one third of the total shares at a profit of 10%. And the remaining shares will be 2/3. So 2/3 part he is selling at a loss of 5%. Since it is a loss, we have to represent by a minus sign. So what is his overall profit or loss percentage? So we are having the general formula. Overall profit or loss will be given as mx plus ny, where m is representing the first fraction, and x is representing the corresponding gain or loss percentage. And similarly, n is representing the second fraction and the corresponding loss or gain percentage. If it is a loss, you have to use a negative sign. So here, one third is sold at 10% profit. So 1/3 into 10, and 2/3 is sold at 5% loss. So it will be a minus 2/3 into 5. So it will be 10/3 minus 10/3. So 0. So his overall profit or loss is 0%. He is neither gaining nor losing. Thank you for watching.